I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action. Lemlist. Give here the API key. So please visit Lemlist API token. API. Generate new key. Copy the API token. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose a campaign. Map the respective fields. Under the action you can update Lemlist by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the Lemlist site. Bit Integration. And you can see the data came successfully in the Lemlist. Thanks for watching.